この番組はご覧のスポンサーの提供でお送りしました。
Today's video sponsor is Time Machine. If you own an AE86 like myself, then you will know it is so hard to find parts for the AE86. Such as this Zenki grill right here. It took me years to find one in Japan and it is so expensive nowadays. But thanks to Time Machine, they made a lot of AE86 reproduction parts such as this Zenki grill right here, the eyelid, window visors, or even the Trueno emblem. They sell it for a reasonable price and you don't have to pay a ton of money or even searching for them in Japan. It is time to make your 86 like new again. So hop onto their website at timemachine86.com and use our discount code Tofu for a 5% off your entire order when you spend over $260. Okay, so let's get back to today's video. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the Fujiwara Tofu Cafe channel. Damn, it's been a while, huh? It's been a while. So today, yeah, it's been way too long. I think it's the first vlog ever since we came back from Japan.
Of the year in the States.
Yeah. Yep. So today we are here at Project Dream, one of my friend's place with Tommy. You know him, he's always at our cafe with his AE86. And today, we are, what are we doing today, Tommy?
We're trying to swap out our interior parts for the rear seats, interior side panels I think it's called. And you're gonna take mine, I'm gonna have
show it to us. He just bought it from Japan.
Ouch.
Ta-da! Damn!
I mean, it's not junk item, it's fair condition.
No, it's very good condition.
I think the other side's missing one of those clips. But it doesn't really matter.
Got it.
Yeah.
It looks good.
Yeah,
looks so good. The one he has right now is actually, it came with the car, right? It came with the car when he bought it. So he originally bought this car from Carland, which is a dealership that only sells AE86. And those door panels, as you can see, it's got like bubbles on it, but it's cool. I need those panels, I don't care. Yep, that would be better. Yep, and that side too. It has like a little bubble.
I wonder if you can fix it. Just because I saw that one. I'm not sure that's redone because I saw paper clips on the side. If you unclip it, if it's unclip or unglue, I don't really know.
And just push the material back in.
For 40-year-old leather / vinyl material, it's hard.
Yeah. We're trying to swap it today, but we just noticed a problem. Because the one I have right now is the stock SL5 door panels or the JDM GTV door panels. It looks just like that too. But since I have the roll cage, I don't think I could install it without drilling a big ass hole on the old door panel, bro.
If you want to keep it, then it's your choice. I'm just curious if all the GTV. So you said it's a GTV.
It's an SL5, but in Japan it's a GTV.
Okay, so
yeah. But what I'm concerning about is the seats. Maybe the stock seats are different with the JDM seats. I'm not sure about that.
I think it's the same. But you're gonna do something to your seat too. You wanna just uncover that too?
Yeah. Other than the door panels today, we are gonna install something we just got from one of our sponsor, Time Machine, which I'm gonna show you guys later.
You see this curve? It's sort of curved in.
Okay.
This actually gave space to your current panel.
Okay.
Mine is straight up, straight down.
That means if you use this panel, you're gonna have to cut
your seat cover
most
won't
of the
even
lower
work.
half.
Oh shit.
Wait, why is it different?
It's different year seats.
Or it could be because it says SL5.
Mine was like that. Alvin, remember when we were doing that other white one? Yeah. We have the same seat problem.
So straight. Yours is a GTS, right?
Yeah, my GTS.
Huh.
So your seat cover is
fuck.
Shit.
Panels are different.
So rear panels are different, the rear seats are different now.
Yeah.
Basically, GTS seats panels as set, and then they're different from the SR5 door panel and seats.
Yeah. And kabam! That's the newest item that Time Machine sent us. It is maroon color seat covers for, I guess, the JDM seats or the GTS seats. Unfortunately, I have the SL5 seats, so I don't think it's gonna fit. But luckily, I have a set of GTS seats sitting at home, so I'm gonna go home, grab it, and I guess we're gonna test it out to see if it fits. But these are the game changer, guys. These are the game changer if you have an AE86 and you know maroon color is so hard to
Time
find.
Machine, make the front seats one, please. No one wants the rear. You can do against the rear seats for like a lot of people got rear seats delete too.
Yeah, the rear seats delete.
So
yeah.
please make the front seats one, please.
Yeah, and with this seats cover, you can make your car look brand new again, literally. Yeah, as you can see, like the material, this is leather, and the maroon color is so close to the OEM too. And we can actually do a comparison right now, right, Tommy? We can do a comparison to see. Yeah, it's really close.
No, it's more
Well,
orange.
it's that is more orange, but
This is more
yeah,
red.
more red.
Yeah.
Yeah, but it looks really clean. Looks really clean. I think it's gonna fit on yours for sure,
Yeah.
but I guess right now we're gonna test it out on the GTS seats to see if it fits. If it fits, then that means these seats cover that Time Machine made will only fit with GTS seats. It won't fit on SL5s. So yeah, give me a minute. Let me go home and grab it, and we're gonna test it out. Okay, I just got the seats back to the shop. This has been sitting in my garage for years already, and yeah, I guess today is the day we're gonna put it on. Yeah, I think it's gonna fit because it doesn't have the curve anymore on the side, so I think it's definitely gonna fit. Yeah, as I said, it's a bit dirty. It's been sitting in my garage for years already, but we're gonna change that. It fits right on. Yep. What do you guys think? The driver's side fits perfectly. The key is you have to keep pulling it, so make sure it fits. But there's a lot of room to play with, so yeah, all you have to do is just keep pulling it. But yeah, first piece looks kind of good. My advice would be start from the top because it will be easier for you to pull, and then go from the bottom. And done! Took like 30 seconds, pretty easy. Just a seat cover. But the hardest part, according to what Time Machine told me, the hardest part is gonna be the bottom. Because yeah, they told me it's kind of tight, so yeah, they will probably get another person to help you to put the seat cover on. So let's do it. It's actually pretty easy. Yup. What do you guys think? It's close enough.
It might be a little darker,
Yeah.
but it's also.
But I think the seat cover that we have has like the stitching that's pretty obvious, and on the stock one, it's not that obvious. But still, I think Time Machine did a pretty good job on this because they fit like perfectly.
It's under my seat.
Straight from Japan.
Straight from Kyoto.
Is it 100 yen?
No, 1 yen.
1 yen.
I've never seen 1 yen actually.
Never. It's kind of useless. Damn, Tommy. Nah, it looks used. So it's OEM for sure. It looks good. It's pretty good, man. So Ron is taking off the stock rear seat panel off from Tommy's car. Let's see if it's gonna fit in mine. How long did it take you? Like what, 10 minutes? Right?
Yeah, I think around 10 minutes.
Yeah, 10 minutes to take everything out. And just like that, the new panels are on. There you go.
And we had to make a hole. I think we have to remove the roll bar to take out
This part,
one, and
this part,
and this
and
part.
this part.
Yes, we have to put the roll bar and then from here, and we need to tighten all everything first.
I think the SL5 bottom seat is actually the same, so I think the bottom would fit as well. But what's the difference are the top part. These obviously are different. As you can see, it's got a curve right here, but the JDM one doesn't. So, or the GTS one doesn't. So, if you have an SL5, it's not gonna fit. So make sure you have a GTS seat or the JDM rear seat in order to fit these seat covers. And then now we have to figure it out how much do we have to cut on the door panel in order to fit the roll bar. So Ron is basically using a laser pointer to mark where the hole is gonna be. And there's no going back, Ron.
Yeah, I know. No choice.
Oh fuck!
Well, become like this. Should be feel the angle should be okay.
Yeah, should be okay.
Yeah.
And just like that, we put the passenger side door panels back on the car with the roll bar. Good job, Ron.
Thank you.
And this side will be the hardest because we have a crossbar over here, so the hole has to be bigger.
I'll make sure 可以以后再来。
There we go.
这么大了还不行。
Okay, first piece that is going in are the bottom seats.
Yeah.
Nice.
Okay. We need a back
Good.
seat now.
Okay. This
So
one.
it won't lock.
Nice. Yeah, last bar. Let's put the crossbar back in, then we are done. And just like that, we put the whole rear seat back into the car with the roll cage on, and also the new two the rear door panels. It looks so good. It's been so long ever since I had a rear seats on. It's always fold down ever since I bought the car. Well, actually no, ever since I put the roll cage in, the seats are always fold down. But yeah, it looks so good. So if you guys are interested in purchasing one of these, make sure to hit up Time Machine. Yeah, no one's gonna see in the back, but it looks so good.
Well, it fits.
Oh, do you guys like it?
Comfortable. It's comfortable.
It's kind of comfy.
Hey, Time Machine 86. Your seat cover is really nice.
And then I guess I'm gonna take these SL5 seats back home with the door panels. If you guys are interested to purchasing this, let me know. Hit us up in the DM through Instagram. I can sell it to you dirt cheap if you have an A6, of course. But yeah, let me know. I still can't believe I'm officially have the full Maroon interior right now with the seats on. So thanks to Time Machine.
And me.
Yep, and you. And also Ron. Thank you so
for your
much.
advice.
Thank you. So if you guys are interested in getting the seat covers, make sure to hit up Time Machine. And I hope you guys are excited for our next video because we're gonna feature Tommy's car with my car again. And if you guys are in SoCal, make sure to follow Project Dream.
Thank you.
And ask for Ron to work on your car. So yeah, if you guys love this video, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe our channel, and leave us a comment down below. As always, everything starts with a dream. See you guys next time. Bye bye.